So now I'll show you the tassels. Now with tassels, I tend to have 4-inch ones, finally 4-inch finished, and just need my tape measure, which is in my box down here, which is my cat. I love cats. I couldn't get ginger ones, but I've got a yellow one here. So my finished tassel is going to be 4 inches, or for those who prefer centimetres, 10 centimetres. So in order to do that, you need twice that amount because the tassel is folded over. Anyway, I will show you what I mean. First of all, I'm going to cut the yarn from my sample, and then this, lots of people have little black books. I have a little pink book, and this is my tassel book. I don't necessarily write in it, in fact there's nothing written in there, but it's brilliant to pick up whether you do, if you want a 4-inch tassel, finished 4-inch, so therefore you need to wind round sort of 8.5 to get a 4-inch. You go use it this way. If you want to have a 6-inch finished tassel length, you use it this way. So it saves me fiddling around trying to find the right thing to wind it round. So this is one of my tools. Now this one, as I just told you, is going to be finished 4-inch or 10 centimetre, whichever you prefer. I prefer inches. So for finished 4-inch, we're going to wind the yarn round this way. So I'm going to hold it on the end on the edge of the book, and the reason it's quite good, you'll see at the end, is that you can get your scissors along here easily without fighting against a surface of something you're winding around like a bit of card. So I'm going to put the end here, hold that firmly, and you go round once for one tassel, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. We'll just do 10 for now, and I'm going to cut just at the same end here, and holding that I'm going to then cut along here. You see how useful the book is. It's easier to cut your tassel. So I have here approximately 9 inches, which is what happens when you wind round something with a little bit of width. Now on these tassels here, because you've got the thickness of the yarn, you can make your tassels as thick as you like, but I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pieces hanging, which means I want 4 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've deliberately picked a thick one to go in there as well to make it more interesting. And you fold these strands in half, and this is the loop. Hold it between your fingers and you have the loop, which is, then you place your hook into the corner stitch of the scarf, catch the loop with your hook, pull it through, grab the loop again on that fold, pull the loose ends through and pull it tight, and there you have your tassel.